Now we're gonna try the Angry Orange. We're opening these up for the first time. The Angry Orange dog wipes. I'm excited about this. I think he's excited too. Let's get these Angry Orange. Remember you brought this in? I've been teaching him how to bring in packages from outside, and he did a phenomenal job bringing this package in. Ready for this? Come here. Over here. Yeah. No, right here. Over here. Because we're gonna open this package, okay? See, he loves the package. Okay, you help me open it? You gonna help me open it? Here. Let's. Here, why don't you get this part? Pull that part. Yeah, pull that part. Pull. Good boy. Good boy. Pull. Good boy. Get it. Pull. Good job. Try to pull. Good. Pull. Get it. Pull. Good job. Pull. Good job. He did a beautiful job helping me open my package. And look what we have, Shiloh. Look at this. Okay. Thank you for opening the package. Look at this. This is Angry Orange. He's as excited as I am. Angry Orange Pet Wipes. Helping to remove the dirt and the grit and the grime from your pet. After you've been playing with them, dirty dogs, you don't want that. Just like I don't want the fur in my house, I don't want the dirt in my house either. Open. It shows you where to open it. The tab right here. Now this works for different types of pets, kittens or cats, dogs. You can see all of that on your animal's fur, and you definitely don't want it in your house. Let's take it. Okay, it doesn't have a scent to it. Now I am so fond of Angry Orange. I've used Angry Orange for years and love the product. Works like heaven, smells like heaven, works like, cleans like, I can't even say some of those words. Okay, so this is the wipe. Let's see how it does on the fur. I love the fact that you can close this back. It's self-closing. Love it. Let's gently wipe down our pet. So this is the wipe, and it's supposed to be gentle on his face. Let's see, come here. Oh, yeah, gentle. Okay, let's do back here on his ears. Let's see how this is on the ears. He's got so much. Oh, he loves it. Look, he loves it. This is good to wipe you down. And it's gentle enough to get on their face. Look how he loves it. Oh my gosh. That's how you know he really loves it. He's laying down. He's putting his paws up. You want your paws clean too? Let's wipe your paws down. There you go. Yeah, clean your paws. Okay, let's get the underpaw. Let's get your pad on your paws. Oh no, I didn't clean them good enough. There's still a little dirt on it. Okay, let's clean the other paw. Good. He is loving this. It has no scent, so it's not hurting his nose or causing him any issues. Clean the paws. Now I wipe his paws really good every time I come in the house and try to get as much dirt off as possible. Get under your leg right there. Now let's get under your other leg. I'm loving this. Look at this. So, see a little bit of doing that, but I love the fact that it's nice and smooth. It's non-scented. Come over here. Good boy. Come here. Sit. Thank you. Not on my leg. We're finished with the package. You want to keep tearing the package up? Very gentle on the skin and gentle on his fur. Now I'm trying to see how well it does with any type of dog smell. Now, I'm pretty good about keeping dog smell off of my dog. I don't want it in my carpet. But I'm loving the fact that this is gentle and that it doesn't bother him. His fur feels nice and soft. me go back. Good job. Good job. Okay, that's enough. Here, chew it. There you go. Chew that. Getting the back, his back legs. Nope. Stop it. Stop it. His little pads. Real gentle on his paws. As you see, he sits nice and calm. Yeah. And let's get his underbelly. There, let's get your belly, boy. Come here. Come here. Turn over. Let's get your belly. There we go. He loves getting his belly. So we're taking the cloth and we rub it on his belly, getting all that under fur. Good boy. Good boy. Nope, that's it. So as you can see, okay, come here. Okay. As you can see, we got him really nice and clean. He enjoyed this for the first time, and I like the extra dirt that did come off because there's still a little bit of dog dirt on him. We play outside all the time.